Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from PSPCL, Punjab State Power Corporation Limited. Yes, when you will go to the official website of PSPCL, here you can see one detailed advertisement for the post of Assistant Engineer OT Electrical in the discipline of Electrical Engineering in PSPCL against this one. Okay, when you will click here, the detailed advertisement will be open. So let's check it out. So start date of online registration, it's clearly mentioned the start date will be 27th August and today is the 23rd and last date will be 16th September. Last date of deposit of fees will be 19th September 2024. They are going to recruit on the basis of GATE 2024 marks. Okay, let's see. So first of all, the pay scale is mentioned here. The minimum pay admissible will be 7th CPC. Pay matrix will be 47,600 per month after the appointment or joining. Okay. And when we will see here the next one, so total number of vacancies. So in the discipline of electrical engineering, total number of vacancies are 100. Post will be assistant engineer. So they mention the category wise also, general, EWS, SCBC, XM, PWD, sports also. So total number of vacancies are, dear students, 100 here. Okay, first. Now the next is they mention the category wise division. Please check it out, this one. Okay, eligibility criteria. So first eligibility criteria is GATE 2024 scorecard. So PSPCL has finalized the minimum qualifying marks. Marks they are asking. Out of the 100 marks for GATE based 24 recruitment, applicants must ensure that they possess the minimum qualifying marks in GATE 24 electrical engineering as given below for the respective category. Okay. Now the next is the categories mentioned for the general. The cutoff is 25.70. EWS, ex-serviceman, BC sport, this is 23.10. Freedom fighter is also mentioned. SC, ST, PWD is also mentioned. Okay. The second one is the essential qualification. Essential means BEB Tech. So for assistant engineer OT electrical in electrical discipline, BEB Tech, full-time regular BEB Tech in electrical or electronics. Okay, electrical and electronics engineering with minimum 55% marks or equivalent is mentioned. Knowledge qualification or knowledge or qualification of Punjabi, this is also compulsory because this is the recruitment from PSPCL. So that's why the candidate must have passed Punjabi of at least matriculation or its equivalent level. Okay. Then okay, age limit is there. Maximum above will be 37. 18 to 37 is there. Okay. Relaxation is mentioned, you can check it out, this one. So the procedure, each and every step is mentioned, but so this is 18 pages PDF, you can see. Online application fees for all categories except SC person with disability will be 2000 plus 18% GST, means 360 rupees GST. So total will be 2360 plus bank charges if applicable. And for SC category or person with disability will be 1400 plus 252, means 1652 rupees. Okay. Fee will be accepted by online mode only. No other mode for depositing fee is acceptable. Yeah, reservation is there according to the rule of Punjab government. So please check it out, this one also. Okay. So I think majorly I cover all the things here. And last date already I told you. Here they mention how to apply, how to get. Okay, what is the class, the criteria also for the reservation. So candidate who fulfill the criteria with respect to GATE 24 qualification, they will shortlist you and then they will call you for the document verification directly. So this is a direct recruitment. Okay, process for document checking is mentioned here. How to do this one, everything is mentioned here. This is the official website. Which one? This one is the official website, www.pspcl.in, and you can go there and you can check it, students. Okay, stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.